When f of x equals ln of 1 over root x, f prime of e squared equals what? Well, this is going to involve chain rule, boys and girls. With chain rule, you're going to have some outside stuff, you're going to have some inside stuff. And the way you handle chain rule is the derivative using the chain rule is going to be the derivative of the outside stuff. Keep the inside stuff exactly the way it is, but then multiply everything by the derivative of the inside stuff, like so. So I'm going to do that, and then when I'm done, plug in e squared, see what happens. Now, I'm going to rewrite this, because if I'm going to have to take the derivative of 1 over root x, I'm going to have it written as x to the negative 1/2 so I can do power rule and not have to overthink anything. All right, see what I did? So now here's my new outside stuff. And here's my inside stuff. Okay. So f prime of x is going to be me taking the derivative of the outside stuff. The derivative of ln is 1 over x, but I'm going to keep the inside stuff, so 1 over x to the negative 1/2. I'll clean that up in a little bit. Okay, or maybe I won't. You can't tell me what to do. I'm going to multiply everything by the derivative of the inside stuff, which has me bringing negative 1/2 down, and then subtracting 1 from negative 1/2, giving me negative 3/2. All right, so let's rewrite this a little bit. This is going to equal 1 over, since that's a negative square or negative half, that's going to look back to the way it used to look. Okay, so in the original problem, now it's back to that. It's just now in the denominator. I'll fix that in a minute. I'm going to multiply everything to negative 1/2, so negative 1 over 2. Since this is going to be x to the negative 3/2, I would make it x to the positive 3/2 on the bottom, or the square root of x cubed. Maybe one more step. 1 over a fraction is just the reciprocal, so you look like that. So square root of x times negative 1 over 2 square root of x cubed. Now I feel comfortable plugging in e squared, so you are going to be the square root of e squared, I'll clean that up in a minute, times 1 over 2 the square root of e squared cubed. Don't forget that negative out front. I think I wrote it but didn't say it. Okay. So one part at a time, the square root of e squared is just e. You are still negative. You are still 1. Let's do this in one swoop. Okay. E squared cubed is going to be e to the 6th. The square root of e to the 6th is e to the 3rd. So 2e to the 3rd. Okay. So I have an e up here and 3 e's down there. Let's cancel that out. So when all is said and done, I get negative 1 over 2e squared. Pretty? No. Fun? Heck yes.